planting corn and squash and beans, what a lot of people refer to as the three sisters. Part of the reason for planting in this method was that the corn provided a support for the pole beans, and then the squash planted later, it would shade the surrounding ground and cut down on the amount of water that was being lost. One other thing about the timing of the planting is I've been told that the time you can tell when to plant is when the oak leaves are about the size of a squirrel's ear. After the corn starts growing, so you want to wait till it gets about 4 to 6 leaves on it. You come back through and you plant the pole beans around the edge. That'll give the pole beans something to climb. After the pole beans start growing, you come back again, and further down, pretty much on the base of the mound, they'll plant the squash seeds. The squash will sort of be a living mulch. It'll keep down the evaporation from the soil. The pole beans provide nitrogen to the soil later on after they're broken back down, so corn needs a lot of nitrogen to grow well.